Okay, this is our Kawasaki engine. As you can see, we're working on our FH 430V DS21R. I can get up here. This Kawasaki, made in the USA, baby. You see right here, we got our gas line going. Got a good old milk jug going. And little nice filter there. Shake him up. Okay, we ain't had too many people crank up a Kawasaki engine on the table before, but we're gonna show you what's going on. Walk around. This is the 430V. These holes right here, that's just the plastic. You ain't gotta worry about that. Just a little hole. We got a good old oil filter, good oil in there, Mobil 1. Just now poured some good oil in there, don't worry about that. Alright, then back here we got our good old gas jug again with our 87. What you know about that? We're gonna go with, we got a, ooh, that's hot. We got a good old muffler right here. We're gonna have to find a way to post that up. This is an aftermarket muffler, but we're gonna take that off for right now because that baby hot. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna go around this way. Alright, and we got some new spark plugs in there, and a good old gas jug. This is just a string holding this gas jug right here. I done tuned it up, so we're gonna give it our start. Alrighty. FH 430V. Let's see. 15 horsepower. Up.